Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zubair Khatib. I am from Jakarta, Indonesia. This is a short testimonial video about my experience learning with Sherdil IT Academy. During the COVID time, I was looking for avenues to pivot my career from a more of pre-sales role, but more into solutioning side. So that was something, and that when I went and researched ahead and saw Sherdil IT Academy, specifically the post of brother Usman and him, and I thought that let's give it a try. So that was interesting first steps of mine into the world of cloud computing. So Alhamdulillah, I joined as a multi-cloud student, specifically focusing on as AWS 3-in-1, GCP 2-in-1, then Alibaba Cloud. I also enrolled for Azure, but unfortunately did not went ahead and finished it through. The main thing what I did during my learnings is that I finished all my courses with, of course, with Sherdil IT Academy. Then I went ahead and took my certifications in Alibaba Cloud, AWS, which offered me potential opportunities to get into a job of AWS solutions consultant. So I was focusing there, and for about almost 2 years now, I work as a technical account executive for a Google partner company. So one of the tips which I would give is keep learning, keep yourself updating, and that will give lots of benefit for you. And apart from that, I have also received accolades globally as a solution engineer for 2023 from Google, and also I'm a trainer for Google Cloud IT Academy. Thank you so very much. I wish you best in your journey in learning through Sherdil IT Academy. Thank you so very much.